Subscribe now. Press the bell icon, never miss an update. If you like videos, please like and share your friends and family.
Good morning all, Mrunmayee Joshi here. In today's English grammar session, let us learn about reported speech questions. नमस्कार, मी मृण्मयी जोशी बोलते आहे. आजच्या आपल्या इंग्लिश ग्रामरच्या पाठात आपण अप्रत्यक्ष कथनात प्रश्नांचे रूपांतरण पाहणार आहोत. There are some rules when we convert questions into reported speech. म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण प्रश्नांचं रूपांतरण करतो अप्रत्यक्ष कथन करताना, तेव्हा आपण काही नियम असतात, ते काय आहेत ते बघणार आहोत आज. सो द फर्स्ट रूल इज all questions are changed to statements when they are reported. म्हणजेच सगळ्या प्रश्नांचं अप्रत्यक्ष कथन करताना विधानार्थी वाक्य होतात. क्वेश्चन मार्क इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय फुल स्टॉप. म्हणजे प्रश्नचिन्ह पूर्णविरामात बदललं जातं. अँड वर्ड ऑर्डर इज चेंज्ड. हा जरा पहिला नियम. काय होता पहिला नियम? ऑल क्वेश्चन्स आर चेंज टू स्टेटमेंट्स व्हेन दे आर रिपोर्टेड. द क्वेश्चन मार्क इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय फुल स्टॉप अँड द वर्ड ऑर्डर इज चेंज्ड. नाव द सेकंड रूल इज वी यूज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब्स सच ॲज आस्क्ड, ASKED, enquired, ENQUIRED, wanted to know, wondered, WONDERED, or demanded, etc. So let us take an example so that the first and the second rule is clear to you. Now the sentence we'll take is, the school monitor said, comma, in quotes, why aren't you in class? Question mark, quotes complete. The school monitor said, why aren't you in class? आता हे जेव्हा आपण रिपोर्टेड स्पीचमध्ये करू तेव्हा इट विल बी, द स्कूल मॉनिटर वॉन्टेड टू नो वाय वी वर नॉट इन क्लास. दोन्ही जेव्हा आपण वाक्य बघू तेव्हा महत्त्वाचा फरक काय आहे, तर वाय आरंट यू इन क्लास हे जे प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य होतं त्याचं विधानार्थी वाक्य झालं वाय वी वर नॉट इन क्लास. सेडचं झालं वॉन्टेड टू नो. आणि वाक्याच्या शेवटी जो क्वेश्चन मार्क होता तो निघून गेला आणि त्याच्या जागी पूर्णविराम आला. सो द स्कूल मॉनिटर सेड, why aren't you in class? Question mark. When changed to reported speech became, the school monitor wanted to know why we were not in class. Here question mark was removed, the statement was changed, the question changed to the statement, and word order also got changed. Now these were the first two rules. Now let us look at the third rule. We do not use the word that, THAT, while reporting. Instead, we use if or whether, WHETHER, when reporting yes/no questions. Do is not used in reported sentence. What is the third rule? The third rule is that the word that is not used while reporting. Instead, we use if or whether. Similarly, do is also not used. Now, let us take an example. My aunt said, comma, in quotes, how do you feel? Question mark, quotes complete. My aunt said, how do you feel? When you convert it to reported speech, this will become, my aunt asked me how I felt. Now, observe here that the word that, THAT, which we normally use while reporting is removed. Similarly, do, the word do is also not used. Again, you, you was changed to I. That was a pronoun change, and also there was a backshift in tense. Feel became felt. So my aunt said, "How do you feel?" became my aunt asked me how I felt. Now the fourth rule is with WH questions such as who, why, whom, etc. The question word follows immediately after reporting verb or name of the person. Now this will be clear when I take an example. Neha said to Firoz, "Why are you late?" Question mark. Now said to, observe that said to will be replaced by asked. So the sentence will be Neha asked Firoz why he was late. Now observe here why, and after that we used he because it was addressed to Firoz, so it changed to he. Neha asked Firoz why he was late. So that was the fourth rule. Now again, all rules regarding tense or person, time and place all remain the same while reporting questions. So let us take 2-3 examples. First example, do you live here? Said Lata to Meera. When converted to reported speech will become Lata asked Meera if she lived there. Second example, she said, "Are you cold?" Question mark. Reported speech, she asked me if I was cold. Third question, he asked, "Do you want tea or coffee?" Now observe this sentence, observe this question. So here it is a choice question. Do you want tea or coffee? So it gets changed to he asked whether I wanted tea or coffee. So with this we have learned how to report questions. We have seen some rules regarding reporting questions, and with this we'll stop here. If you have any difficulties, do ask me. So that is all for today's session. Thank you. Dhanyavad.